My journey was really inspired by the one that my grandmother took. She grew up in a small village in southern India where educational opportunities for women were not as much. She fought against a lot of societal constraints to make sure her daughters and granddaughters got the best education possible. This instilled in me the confidence to do the same thing for others. So as I navigated my career in the battery industry, I faced a lot of challenges that one would face in a male-dominated industry. Gender bias, the constant need to prove oneself, and the lack of mentorship. I decided that if there has to be a change, then I have to be the change. So I lead the Women in Batteries program through Volta Foundation, which is an organization of 75,000 battery experts. We also provide early career mentorship and also advocate for gender equity in the battery industry. I'm also really motivated to inspire the next generation of innovators. I work through the Conrad Challenge to provide opportunities for high school students, help them generate engineering viable solutions through mentorship, financial advices, and also technical feedback. That has been very inspiring to see the next generation go forward. My proudest accomplishment is actually leading the team for Gravity cell development, a 10+ group of engineers, diverse group of engineers. We've developed a cutting-edge battery cell with superior fast charge capabilities, a great range available for an electric vehicle user. It's really nice to see the end product in the Gravity SUV, and also the way to bring cutting-edge technology back into the US. An advice I would give younger women is don't let self-doubt hold you back. Imposter syndrome is definitely real, so fight against it. You've earned your place. Perseverance is the key to success. Try to surround yourself with people who continuously uplift you, and you deserve every chance that you get.